3. Welcome. Welcome to Mocha Family Factory. Today, we're going to be adding too much ingredients. We're going to do packing peanuts. We've got our 6 ounces of clear slime.
And the extra bacon.
So let's get right into the video. We got our 6 ounces. Go ahead and open it. Take it out. Now, we're just gonna crush it up. Put it in the slime. Ooh. Oh, look how that looks. So this is how it looks so far. It actually looks pretty cool, but I definitely think we can add a lot more to it. So let's go ahead and add a little bit more. Yes.
A little bit more activated.
Here's some more packing peanuts. Why are you moving my hand out the way?
Squish. Ooh, scared.
Be careful. Actually, let me roll up your sleeves. Mix it in there. This much. That's about 2 handfuls.
It's like Songless Crunchy Star.
Yeah. That's about 2 handfuls of packing peanuts so far. It's ripping up just a little bit, but I feel like we still have a chance to put more in here. All right, we got her little handful of crunch peanuts.
Why are you putting the hand out the way?
All right, let's mix this.
Mommy, it's so fun to leave this again.
Wait, stop. Whatever you're doing right now, show our channel some support, guys. Like the video, subscribe, and share, comment. So,
Mom, what is this?
it's really crunchy.
What is this, Mom?
It is packing peanuts.
Packing peanuts? It's gonna turn right?
So this is what it's looking like. It still has a little stretch. It's ripping though. Oh. Oh my gosh.
I can't look.
What do you think? You think we could add some more?
Yeah.
Okay. I think we could add just a little bit more packing peanuts. I don't think it's a done deal yet.
Why do you look in my hands out the way, Mom? Boom, 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 boom.
Mix it in there.
Mommy, this slime is so good. It's not ripping a piece.
I wanted to try to fit this whole bowl in there, but I don't think that's going to work. Oh,
My dear, it's struggling.
oh, it's ripping. It's ripping and ripping and ripping and ripping and ripping. Oh, that's a knife. We're definitely not doing that.
Yes, it's ripping.
Oh, it's still. Hey, what do you guys think? Let us know in the comments when you think we should have stopped.
Once we have it,
yes.
stop this.
Oh,
What?
if you stretch it slowly, it doesn't rip like
Mom.
that. Huh?
It's not like marshmallow.
It does. Oh, that would be such a good slime. Marshmallow slime with packing peanuts. How genius is that? Oh, look at that. It still stretches. I think we can add a little bit more. What do you think?
Yeah.
You think we should add some more? Ooh, it's really crunchy.
This is really crunchy.
Okay, let's add some more. Okay, I think that's good. gosh. It's starting to get really stiff. Really stiff.
It's too much.
It is.
You can't.
Oh. Where'd it go? Okay. This is your half. This is my half. Try to pick up as much packing peanuts as possible.
And this really good pizza bag. What's the
Okay, let's try to stretch it now. Ooh.
I didn't.
Ooh.
Mom. Mommy, look, Mom.
Ooh, Lord. Wow. Look at that.
It's like a jelly worm.
It is. I don't even, yeah, we're definitely, I think we're maxed out. I don't think we can add any more. If I stretch it super, 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 super slow, it's still, oh. I don't know, guys. We may be able to put just a little bit more. There you go. You gotta stretch it super, super, super slow. Listen. Seems like it could use maybe just a little bit more. Yeah, let's do just a little bit more, because I still feel like we shouldn't, when it's too much, we shouldn't be able to stretch it at all. It should just break. Mix it in there. I don't think this is gonna go in. If you guys think this is gonna go in,
this is not slimy.
I want you to give it a thumbs up right now if you think all of this is gonna fit. I don't know. No more, no more, no more. Put it back. It is. We gotta fit this little bit left. Let's pick it up. I don't even know how to describe it. It's weird.
Hey guys.
But look at this. Okay, let's try to stretch it. Try to stretch it. Look. Oh man. Okay. Let's try to stretch it. Oh. Oh man.
I did.
Even if I try to stretch it slow, it's not stretching slow.
We'll snap it. Whoa!
Oh, there we go. Oh. You hit me in the mouth. And the fact that you think that's funny. It's just ripping. It's literally just ripping. It won't do it. Do you think we've added too much? You think we can add more, or you think that's it?
Add more.
You want more? Yeah. I think that's it. Let's see if we stretch this. Ooh, she might be right.
Let's just add some more.
Dang, that might be too much.
Oh.
You want to try a little bit more?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try a little bit more, because she thinks we can still do some more. Look how much we've used so far.
Put it in there.
We gotta rip it. I mean, crumble it. Like that.
I don't add no more.
I don't think we can add any more, guys. This is like, I don't even feel the slime. I don't even feel the stickiness anymore.
It's like some call it in like crunchy stuff, like it's like marshmallow.
Yeah, look. Oh yeah, now. Cause look, it's dry. You know how like slime is like.
It like the green slime is like stretchy.
You literally have to do it like a rolling pin.
Don't you have yours?
Sure. I think this would be a cool
like
slime though.
Correct.
Like it's really crunchy.
Mom.
Huh?
Got more.
Let us know in the comments if we successfully put
like
too much ingredients. Yeah, I think that's too much. I can't pull this without it ripping at all anymore.
Yay!
Look at this. It's still crunchy though.
Look, guys.
Whoa. Once you get all the peanuts mixed in, it's like it goes back to being a little stretchy. Yeah. It's done. It's done. You think it's done?
Can I see the video?
Sit down.
I can't see it.
Remember, we only use 6 ounces of slime. So, like, this expanded so much.
I can't see it.
It can't even fit in here at all. Like, look. That is so much. And that's only my half.
It can't fit in them. It didn't go fit in them. We gotta add a little bit.
Yeah. Look at this. It's literally like a bouncy ball. Bounce it. Like what? Ooh, I saved it. Oh my goodness. What? What? Like, I'm sure this wouldn't even stick on your clothes if you wanted it to. Like, that's how much is on here. Like, look, I can't.
Mommy didn't. Mommy.
Just
Mommy didn't stick on the clothes.
It doesn't. It doesn't stick. It's not sticky. Because it's just too much.
Mommy, I can't put my finger in there.
It's just too much. Alright, guys. Well, I think we definitely added way too much packing peanuts. Let us know in the comments if you want to see more videos like this. I think we definitely added too much. So, thank you guys so much for watching. And we'll see you next week.